Welcome to episode 4 of Finance Books that Build Wealth, Not Just Knowledge. This is for your personal finance. So, your money or your life, this is 9 steps to transforming your relationship with money and achieving financial independence. This is fully revised and updated from the authors Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez, forward by Mr. Money Mustache. So this book tells us that every peso you spend represents hours of your life. So it's a realization that you must rethink every purchase. This book is an eye-opening expense tracking. It gives the conscious spending, not deprivation, and it is an awareness of where your money really goes. And it teaches mindful spending, not extreme frugality. So you can spend on what really brings happiness and you can cut what doesn't add value. So this book aligns money with personal values. So this book also redefines wealth as freedom and peace. Wealth is a control over your time. It is not lifestyle inflation or status. So if you are burned out employee or parent, this book is good for you to start to read. So if you want to introduce the concept of financial independence and you want to retire early or have a flexible life, so this one is good for you because it does live on less than you earn, invest the difference and let money support your life and not just to control it. And it reduces money stress and anxiety. So your peace of mind is priceless, and money becomes a tool, and it should not be a source of fear. And this book encourages clarity and calm. This book also is an ethical, sustainable, and values based money because of its conscious consumption topic and environmentally and socially aware choices. So it is a thoughtful, purpose driven book for readers, and it is ideal for parents and for couples if you want to align family goals or if you want to teach your children to have a healthy money values. So for your future actually, you can start reading this. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.